इस क्वेश्चन में हमें देखो क्या दिया हुआ है, आर एल सी सर्किट है, सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ आर एल सी, दे आर इन सीरीज, रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू इज हाउ मच, 100 ohm, inductor value is 0.318 henry, and capacitor value they didn't mention, right? But they have mentioned the voltage value, but in the form of equation. How much is the value of voltage? That is 230 root 2 sine of omega t volts, right? And they have mentioned current also. Current is how much? 2.3 root 2 sine of omega t. Omega also they have mentioned, that is 314.15. So first of all we need to calculate C, right? Just you have to look out the formulas, that C is present in which formula? In XC, right? If we know the value of XC, then we can get the value of C as well. Now we have to search that XC is present in which formula. As you can see that XC is present in impedance formula. What is the formula for impedance? That is R square plus XL minus XC whole square, right? Do we know the value of R? Yes, we know the value of R. If L is given, then we can calculate XL also. XL is equal to omega L. Omega is 314.5 and L is 0.318 Henry. So we'll get the value of XL also. Now we don't know about XC and we don't know about Z, but we know the formula of Z, that is V divided by I, right? Voltage also they have mentioned and current they have also mentioned, but in the form of equation. As you know that standard form of equation is V is equal to V max sine omega t, right? So for the voltage they have mentioned 230 root 2. So we can write down 230 root 2 sine of omega t. If we'll compare this voltage, then V max value is how much? Tell me. 230 root 2? Yes or no? And for calculation we always need RMS value. RMS is the root mean square. For the calculation purpose we never use maximum value, we always need RMS value. And the relationship between the RMS and maximum is VRMS is equal to Vmax divided by root 2. Vmax value we got it, that is 230, right? 230 root 2 divided by root 2, root 2 cancel, we got 230 value. Similarly we can get the value of current as well. So current value would get 2.3, right? Because this is the Imax value, then we can calculate IRMS. So now we got to know about the V by I value, that is 230 divided by 2.3. Okay, now only single variable is left. Which one? XC. After solving it, can we get the value of XC? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And if we'll get the value of XC, then we'll get the value of C as well. So first step completed, we got the value of C. Next they are asking simple VL. VL is the voltage drop across inductor, and formula for VL is I into XL. I we know 2.3, XL we already calculated, then accordingly after solving it we'll get the value of volt. Clear?